I'm Mestre Papa Leguas and this is Tucum Capoeira methodology. Through dedicating my life to capoeira for the last 30 years, teaching internationally and raising students up to a master level, I had the amazing opportunity to closely study the game through my own experience in the roda and also in passing on the knowledge to capoeira students. It's been my aim to create a resource like this for many years, and I'm really excited to be able to formally present the methodology that I personally use and develop to help students on their capoeira journey. Firstly, this online capoeira school was created for everyone, no matter your age, ability, experience, style or group. Throughout the modules in the course, we'll dive deep into many aspects of this incredible cultural art, exploring its movements, kicks, esquivas, takedowns, standing and ground games, music and much more. In addition to breaking down movements, techniques and sequences, we'll share with you the TCM system, which is designed to help you build your own understanding, creativity and confidence inside the roda. You will learn how to structure a game, adapt to any situation and ultimately approach every capoeira game with awareness and purpose. So if you are open-minded, motivated and willing to develop and improve your capoeira, I'll see you inside the course. Let's begin.